Welcome to our video on mastering Facebook and Instagram ads. In today's digital age, social media platforms have become essential for businesses to reach their target audience. Facebook and Instagram ads offer a powerful way to boost your business to success. With billions of active users, these platforms provide you with a vast pool of potential customers. To get started, you need to identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What interests do they have? Once you know who you're targeting, you can create customized ads that resonate with them. Facebook and Instagram allow you to set specific objectives for your ads. Whether it's generating leads, driving website traffic, or increasing brand awareness, you can choose the goal that aligns with your business objectives. Next, you'll need engaging visuals and compelling ad copy. A striking image or video paired with persuasive text can capture attention and drive clicks. Remember to keep your ad concise and to the point, as users scroll through quickly. Both platforms offer targeting options to ensure your ads are seen by the right people. You can narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and even behaviors. This precision targeting helps maximize your ad's effectiveness. To measure the success of your ads, Facebook and Instagram provide detailed analytics. You can track impressions, reach, clicks, and conversions to determine what's working and what can be optimized. Use this data to refine your ad strategy and achieve better results. Now that you have the basics, it's time to take action and start running your ads. Experiment with different ad formats and strategies to find what works best for your business. Be creative, test, and iterate to continuously improve your campaign. In conclusion, Facebook and Instagram ads have immense potential to boost your business to new heights. By understanding your audience, setting clear objectives, and creating compelling content, you can achieve great results. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to grow your business.